Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we bring you the latest and craziest moments caught on bikers camera. This episode won't disappoint and crazy encounters are plentiful. Without any further ado, let's jump right into this episode. Sit back and enjoy. These bikers try to race each other, or so at least it looked like to this state trooper who was carefully watching them. This is what happened when he pulled them over.
Sorry.
Hey, I know you guys weren't about the race. I know that's not what I just witnessed.
No, I was.
No, you guys were stopping, getting right next to each other in the middle of the road.
I
I know
w-
you guys were about ready to race.
No, I was trying to hear what he was trying to say. I'm sorry, sir.
Alright, don't be racing.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You have to trust your intuition. And when I turned around and I looked back there to see if anybody was behind us, I saw that white car.
What the f are you doing?
Biker witnessed a cyclist ending up in a ditch. He was using his phone, and the moment of not paying attention was enough for him to end up on the ground.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hallå, hur fan gick det? Åh jävlar, gick det bra eller? Har du ont någonstans eller? Oj. Det är inte så bra att hålla på med telefon om man är ute och cyklar. Det är inte bra att hålla på med telefon när man cyklar. Vad fan, bröt av stöd också på din cykel eller? Jag säger, du har ju bryt av stödet ser det ut som också. På din cykel. Stödet har ju gått av också. Ja, jag kan hjälpa den. Så. Kan du cykla nu då? Var det bra eller? Ja, var bra.
Ja, men tack för det.
Ja, men varsågod. Du får ha det bra. Ja, hej då.
This biker noticed a strong odor coming from the car. The driver was consuming something illegal and driving. This is something we would never recommend you to do.
Bro, you can smell that big time out the window. And you almost hit some people. She's high as hell, bro. Like smoking on that Cheech and Chong. Dude, I got that on video. Look, she's trying to get away. I got your plate. I'll give your plate number to the cops, don't worry.
Esburro, meu. Foda-se. Só não foi burro. Esburro, meu. Puta que te pariu, meu. Гарри Поттер и проклятое дитя. Театр. Опачки, а тут драка какая-то, смотри. Вообще сейчас вот хуячат его.
Убили его или что?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Опа, опа. Come on, lads. Такой, надо на красный успеть, да. Поехали, быстрее. Щам получал, блин. Вообще, куда ты, блядь, едешь? Хорошо, что я притормозил, блин.
Tienen paso ustedes, pase. Se pegó una frenada la piba.
The driver dangerously overtook the biker in this situation here. He nearly sideswiped him as he went around.
Cabeza de
Even bikers use their phones while riding, which is 10 times more dangerous compared to drivers who text and drive.
Ay, casi choca por venir con el teléfono. Yo en los autos no es que no justifico nada, en los autos no banco el usar el teléfono, pero también es otra circunstancia, ¿no? Uno viene sentado.
We had to spice up our episode by bringing you the I don't need to look both ways pedestrians.
Medio boludo, sí, sí. ¿Estás bien? Me diste un cabezazo.
This has got to be one of the most carefree taxi drivers out there. I mean, just look at the way he waved his hand to the biker, as if to say, I don't care, just go, dude.
Pero
Truck driver cut the biker off at the exit and he almost hit him there.
¿dónde vas? No, no, no te hagas el enojado, no te hagas el enojado, dale, dale, que la quisiste cualquiera. Siempre haces los enojados, boludo. Me falta.
This was a tad too close, if you ask me. I don't know what it is with drivers who overtake like this. Is it that difficult to stay in the opposite lane and merge back in your own lane after you overtake someone?
No, 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 este tipo está enfermo. Este tipo está enfermo. Lo que acaba de hacer es un descerebrado mental.
Again, the same situation as in the previous clip, but with a different driver this time. Needless to say, the biker got really upset this time.
¿Tenés problema, pelotudo de mierda? Boludo, ay, decí que tengo unos principios.
Crazy pedestrians can be found everywhere. In this clip, for example, some of the pedestrians walked across the highway like it was a sidewalk, and they almost got hit because of their reckless behavior. Are indeed the spice of life. This biker got his own, Dylan in Indy and Rivet in Rosie. You know what they say, life would be really grey without some prankster friends in it.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Really?
This construction worker lives by the motto, "You only live once." In this situation, the driver cut in front of the biker without using his mirrors or indicating at all. To make things worse, the driver had no intentions of going back to his own lane, not until the biker knocked on his door. Watch. This truck driver definitely had a clear view of the biker approaching, yet he still wanted to merge onto the road in front of him. Again a similar situation. Note to all drivers. Mirrors are there to be checked on before changing lanes. Please use them more frequently.
Você tá na noia, caralho, porra!
This is a pure example of a self-entitled driver. Driving on two lanes. Mirrors? What are those? I wonder. Not to mention indicators. God forbid he used them. Would you look at that? Another one. This cyclist woke up this morning and decided, today I'm not caring about anything or anyone. This biker experienced a nasty death wobble. Luckily enough, he reacted calm and composed. Not only did this taxi driver pull out in front of the biker, he cut him off as well a bit ahead. Watch. Riding over a solid line and cutting in front of others. A true man of culture. This driver cut the biker off at the intersection here. He took his right of way and moved on like it's totally okay. Driving on two lanes, aren't we?
Jesus Christ! What a silly cow!
We have a bad roundabout decision making and a red light runner in just a minute's span of time. Running a red light. And where are your indicators, my man? Oh, and mirrors as well.
So hand in hand.
This biker was forced to the shoulder of the road by a fellow biker. Never are like these guys.
I got a bad feeling about this. What the f*** is that?
This driver clearly saw the biker and yet he cut him off without even indicating. Luckily, the biker called it and he managed to stop on time. It looked like the driver tried to purposely push the biker off the road, and in doing so, he swerved a bit and almost lost control of his vehicle. This driver parked in the middle of the road for some reason and blocked the entire lane. He almost caused the accident as well. It almost came to a nasty crash between two vehicles at the roundabout. This is what impatience and traffic rudeness can get you. This driver didn't pay attention at his mirrors while changing lanes, and because of that, the biker was forced to the far left lane. It could have easily been bad for him in this situation.
Well, you might, if the cops are actually even around. I know that the,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This biker filmed two vehicles sideswiping at a roundabout. Luckily, no one got injured in this situation, but this is usually what happens when you don't pay attention. Pay attention at your mirrors, guys. This self-entitled driver didn't, and he caused an accident. Luckily, the biker didn't crash, but he surely felt the impact of the car. This biker nearly got into a head-on collision with a fellow biker on this track. A crash was avoided by a hair's breadth. This driver didn't use his blinkers, nor did he check his mirrors before switching lanes. Luckily, the biker didn't get hit. Where to start? This driver cut another vehicle to get to the right exit. He didn't use his indicators, and obviously didn't check his mirrors. After almost crashing with another vehicle, he pulled out in front of the biker and nearly made him crash as well. He needs to get his license suspended for this crazy type of driving.
Caralho!
And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and even learning a thing or two as well. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button on my channel because it helps a lot. Until the next episode, stay safe and take care.